It was time to get back to life, back to reality, back to Mammoth Lakes. Here's a definite reality of van life. Maintenance.
Make it happen.
Yep. All right, I'm here at my buddy Patrick's shop.
Yeah.
Patrick, thank you very much for all your help.
No worries. Happy to be helping.
Yeah, tell us about your towing service.
So I do off-road vehicle recovery. I got an old 2000 Ford F-250 on a 6-inch lift and mostly service around Mammoth Lakes area, and we'll come pull you out of pretty much anything.
What's the number on that?
Number is 310-623-2742.
All right, remember Patrick, he's a really good dude. The weather here in the Eastern Sierras can change in an instant. And well, we could see the weather was coming in pretty fast. So we decided to hunker down at our old stomping grounds, Camp High Sierra, and take a trip down memory lane. And slice it. All right? Go for it.
She's smoking.
Huh. I was just teasing my brother, I'll be honest, but it's actually really cool. This dude has been hell-bent making a fire on this trip. And look at what we got, baby. Just your standard log cabin design fire. It's waterproof.
Better than having a fire in the rain.
And we added a Michael. All right, good to see you, Michael.
Oh, yeah, glad to be here.
Nice. Well, we're happy to have you. We had a party earlier today. Oil change party in this bitch. But everybody's satisfied. Everybody's lubricated. I know we're getting there. We're working on that, right? But this has been how many days we've been on this, Michael? Since before my alternator, right?
Oh, yeah, it's
6, 7, 5. It's been a while.
5 days.
Yeah, it's been a while. But
6.
yeah, we solved it. Handled it. What would Rich say, Eric?
Done with it. Late. It is. And the cool part about
Fellas?
Driving on the sidewalk, looking back at the sky, it's burning in the rearview mirror. No, 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 no. Gotta go it alone. No, 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 no. I better go it alone.
Well, that was a fun little trip down memory lane. Bittersweet. We miss Hefe. But I'm really glad that this place is pretty much the same. Well, the facilities are pretty much the same. Things have changed. It's not exactly the way I remember it. Just enough to keep my hope alive for the future. I don't know. It's just enough the same to fill that part of your heart that longs for nostalgia and for things to stay the same that need to stay the same.